shot clock. Almost losing the ball. 24-second shot clock. Violation para sa Barangay Panginan. Jersey number 4, Narbasa. Setting the play, pass to jersey number 23. To jersey number 15, back to jersey number 4. To jersey number 23, corner pass to jersey number 15. 8-second shot clock. And ball, back to jersey number 23. 3 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Jersey number 23. There's a whistle foul coming jersey number 15. And in second foul, warning for penalty for the game of it. That means 3 minutes and 30 seconds to play. Score 69-48. 21-point para sa Barangay Tabel. That's jersey number 23 for 3. And Mulgan on jersey number 6. And the pass to jersey number 4, Albasa. Waiting for Steven to jersey number 15 for the jumper as well. Jersey number 71, and jersey number 2, De La Vega, up and under and good for 2. Jersey number 4, Ronnie Bautista, the pass to jersey number 8, pero masyado na lakas. Now jersey number 23, pass to De La Vega, up and pass to jersey number 71. Masyado na lakas, turnover. Time remaining 2 minutes and 51 seconds to play. Score 71-50. Jersey number 4, Narbasa. Almost intercept. 12-second shot clock. To jersey number 23. Right out and for 3. And number 3. Score 74-15. Lumaw na sa 24 ang kalaman ng Barangay Tabel. Intercepted jersey number 15. The running shot is good for Snuggle. Iba na jersey number 15. Barangay Panginay ball. Time remaining 2 minutes and 14 seconds to play. Intercepted jersey number 15. That's good for 2. Score 76-15. Jersey number 71, pass to jersey number 2, De La Vega. Jersey number 2, attack in the defense. There's a whistle, ball coming with jersey number, what's what up? Jersey number 8. And the second foul, penalty. Substitution. Two free throws for jersey number 2, De La Vega. It's good, 2 points, substitution. Jersey number 2 out, replacement jersey number 18, Penny. Time remaining 1 minute and 56 seconds to play, after 2 minutes to play. Para sa ating third quarter score, 76-52.
SPL Gala.
4-point lead para sa Barangay Tabel. Jersey number 4, Narbasa. Para sa jersey number 15, back to jersey number 4. 4-3, in and out, on the board, lovely Manila para sa jersey number 23. That pass, intercept. Jersey number 18, Penny on the run. Attack the defense, puts it up and shoot for 2.
Talagang Penny. Oo, Penny.
1 minute and 25 seconds to play.
Sa ato, yung De La Vega, tamad tumira eh. Mahusay sa 3 points eh. Si De La Rosa nawala eh. Sayang eh.
Last in the middle, jersey number 6, Sintuan. First use of the ball, jersey number 18.
Si magaling.
Second foul.
Pag si De La Rosa si Penny na gano'n, nag-tandem ganda eh.
14 seconds shot clock, 14 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 4, Bautista, jersey number 15. 10 seconds shot